सुदेश भाई आज पोल 3 ही रखा है ना?
Anil bhai, am I audible to you?
Yes, audible. सुदेश भाई, मैंने वैसे 350 या 250 या 250 टाइप से बोला था सर, एक मीटिंग में था। सुदेश भाई, ये इसका लिंक भेज सकते हो क्या, अपना प्लेटफॉर्म वाला, जो हम अपन देख सके मोबाइल से? गुप्ता जी। म्यूट म्यूट हो आप, म्यूट म्यूट हो आप इस तरफ।
सॉरी।
हाँ, मेरा बोलते जी आप वो भेज सकते हो क्या लिंक एक बार, जिसे इन्होंने देखा नहीं है कभी,
हम्म।
कैसे दिखता है 3D वाला,
वो लिंक
या
आप
फिर आप, या
वो,
फिर स्क्रीन स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखा सकते हो आप अभी कैसे लुक
हाँ
लाइक।
हाँ, मैं दिखा देता हूँ।
हेलो भाई, आप देख लीजिए कैसे दिखेगा वो।
श्योर श्योर। मैं कह रहा था वीडियो आप जैसे वीडियो इनिशिएट करते हो पहले हमने जैसे किया वैसे ही आप करोगे ना अभी
बाकी सब
वैसे।
कुछ, हाँ बाकी सब कुछ वैसे ही करेंगे।
ठीक।
केवल केवल वो मतलब हमारे पास इसमें वो राइट नहीं है कि हम कस्टमर को बोल सके कि आप बोल सको, मतलब अलाउ नहीं कर सकते, तो उसको मैसेज ही या क्वेरी ही डालना पड़ेगा। ये ऐसे दिखेगा।
अभी आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करो।
वीडियो ऑन किया है।
हाँ सर, 2 मिनट।
ये अब लाइव नहीं गए होंगे ना इस तरह।
अब जाएगा।
लेकिन एक बार लाइव चले जाओगे तो आप पॉज कर
ठीक
सकते
है,
हो।
2 मिनट। और मेरा स्क्रीन के अंदर स्क्रीन दिख रहा
हाँ हाँ वही चीज़।
है।
अच्छा यार, मतलब वही कह रहा हूँ ऑडियंस के लिए ये वाला प्लेटफॉर्म।
ओके।
पूरा जो स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ये आपको वो अपना पूरा वो आएगा, पीपीटी आ जाएगा, साइड में एक आपका विंडो आएगा जहाँ पे आपका पिक्चर, मतलब अगर आप वीडियो ऑन है तो वीडियो ऑन लगेगा।
आपकी वॉइस रहते रहते ब्लैंक हो जा रही है।
हाँ, वो माइक लगाया हुआ है। हालांकि ये पूरा विंडो दिखेगा, विंडो से फिर यहाँ पे साइड में आपका फोटो दिखेगा, डेक यहाँ पे दिखेगा, कस्टमर अपने हिसाब से इधर उधर भी जा सकता है, चैट कर सकता है, पोल कर सकता है। यहाँ पे आया आपका फोटो देखो।
सर आप अपनी स्लाइड्स शेयर करो और वीडियो ऑन कर लो।
एक अपना डेक चेक कर लो। हेलो भाई, लेकिन आपने स्क्रीन शेयर किया हुआ है प्रदेश, तो ये इनका नहीं हो पाएगा।
नहीं नहीं, वो हो जाएगा। वो बस वो करना है अपने, वो राइट्स अपने आप ही वो कंटिन्यू करने के लिए शेयर करेंगे तो कंटिन्यू का ऑप्शन आएगा, कंटिन्यू कर दीजिएगा बस।
फिर ये दिखेगा नहीं ना।
हाँ हाँ, वो नहीं दिखेगा, बट हाँ ये दिखेगा ना अब।
मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है।
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ,
कहते मतलब कि हम केवल जूम पे जो दिखा रहे हैं वही दिखेगा, सेम वो उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे रिप्लिकेट हो।
रेप्लिकेट होगा, राइट। अपनी पीपीटी फुल स्क्रीन कर दीजिए सर।
बस एक सेकंड वही कर रहा हूँ।
ये पीडीएफ देखता है आई थिंक। हेलो भाई,
ये कुछ सेटिंग्स में चेंजेस है, मैं 1 मिनट चेक कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट अ सेकंड।
तो इसमें अभी ऑडियंस कितने दिख रहे हैं, कितने बजे 3 बजे शार्प किया जाए, 3:05 पे किया जाए।
सर 3:05 पे स्टार्ट करते हैं, मतलब आप 3:03 पे वीडियो स्टार्ट कर दीजिएगा।
ठीक है। तो ये स्ट्रक्चर वे में नहीं दिख रहा है आपका। हेलो कोई ऑल वेल?
Still, why is struggling to get into the full screen, not getting the option there?
एक बार शेयर करो ना, स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
Just a second.
पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में है क्या?
हाँ यार,
व्यू में जाइए, व्यू में पेज डिस्प्ले, सिंगल पेज व्यू है ना?
ऑलरेडी सिंगल पेज व्यू है।
इधर से स्क्रॉल करके इसको बंद करना। लास्ट टाइम कैसे कर रहे थे?
यार फुल पेज व्यू का ऑप्शन ही आता था।
स्वदेश एनी आइडिया इसमें कैसे करते हैं?
नो सर।
Why it is not getting the option there?
एक बार दोबारा स्टार्ट करो, डेक बंद करके, वो फाइल बंद करके दोबारा स्टार्ट करो।
वही कर रहा हूँ यार। Just a second. आ गया।
जूम का कुछ डाला है क्या आपने?
वो मैं दूसरा पीपीटी शेयर कर दूंगा ना।
ओके। यहाँ पे जो आ रहा है कमेंट और आलोक कुमार करके, वो
सॉरी,
आपने अभी स्क्रीन शेयर किया था ना, तो आलोक कुमार लिख के कुछ आ रहा था। अपन नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट में मैं वीडियो शेयर करूंगा। जैसे वीडियो खत्म होता है ना, आप अपना डेक का फर्स्ट पेज लगा दीजिए। ठीक है?
ठीक है अभी।
हाँ अभी बराबर है। ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट में मैं वीडियो चलाता हूँ, वो मल्टी प्रोडक्ट वाला। एंड देन जैसे ही मैं बंद करूंगा, आप स्क्रीन अपने लगा देना, देन अपना इंट्रोडक्शन वगैरह करके फिर मैं हैंड ओवर करूंगा।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
ठीक है, आज लाइव डेमो नहीं है कुछ अपने पास, सफिशिएंट टाइम है। ठीक है?
ठीक है भाई।
स्वदेश वीडियो चला दे। स्वदेश
We are in the practice session.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Digital Do Big Forum brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. This is Anil Chaube, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your family. This forum is learning and awareness platform where we try and address few of the most critical technology subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution expert. With a changing digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organization to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adaptive. While work get smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging. And we, as a Tata Tele Business Services, is committed to work closely with organizations of all sizes by bringing new and innovative solutions which reduce the gap between businesses and customer and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for business and IT leaders like you. And the topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar in driving customer experience. So before the session start, I would like to take few opinion of yours via poll. I would request each of the participants to please visit on your screen. There is a one poll tab. You have to click on that particular tab and you'll be able to see first poll questions. You all have to go on the poll button and there will be first poll question is, what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? I would request each of you to please give your valuable opinion for this poll. What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity and operational resiliency, business growth and expansion. We have 30 seconds for your valuable opinion. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Moving on the next poll. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology like software or hardware, upgrading infrastructure, internet, cloud connectivity, and other telecom solutions, operations, marketing, and sales. We have 30 seconds to vote for this poll. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Moving on the last poll. Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Collaboration solutions like Zoom, web conferencing solutions, Smart Flow, IoT solutions, connectivity solutions, cloud and SaaS, and security solutions. I would request each of the participants to please vote for this last poll. We have 30 seconds in hand. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Thank you so much for participating in polls. So before the session start, I would like to communicate this session will be for next 45 minutes, followed by the question and answer, and all the attendees will be on mute and listen mode only. And if you have any query during the sessions, I would request you to please write your query in Q&A box. We will take each query after the session. So without taking much time, now I would quickly introduce you to our eminent speaker, Mr. Alok Kumar, who takes care of the Smart Flow product. And I would request him to please take the session ahead.
Sure. Thank you, Anil, for giving a beautiful introduction. Hello, everyone. Definitely, as Anil have gone through, there is a vast products what Tata Teleservices has keep in mind what exactly the industry requirements are. But to initiate further, I will suggest let's go ahead and initiate with a video that what exactly the cloud phone solution is that will make much more clarity in regards to product. So let me initiate with that video so you will have much more clarity.
Enhance customer experience with comprehensive AI-enabled cloud telephony suite. Ensure uninterrupted business continuity with hosted contact center, multi-level IVR, click to call, missed call solutions, hosted call connect, outbound marketing solutions. Get SmartFlow for your business at an unbelievable price. Plans starting at rupees 1700 per month per agent with unlimited calling.
So this is something, our cloud telephony system. I will go ahead with Hindi and English, mix English. So what is SmartFlow? Before coming to that point, we need to understand what is cloud telephony system. Cloud telephony system is not something which is very new. That is there from the industry from the decades. But yes, post-COVID, industry realized that we need some setup where, let's suppose, work from home situation come across, or we need to go through where we will have some geographical location foundation which we need to expand. So these cloud telephony systems are the alternative, and definitely it will help to increase the business productivity. So Tata identified the markets. Tata have gone through and understand the pain areas and launched this product, which is a smart flow solution. So as the tagline is very clear, that the business should flow without boundaries. So this is a cloud telephony system, which is a smart flow, which means there is no boundaries whenever you're doing your business. Either it's COVID or any other impacts, which are definitely come across to ruin your business, and definitely a revenue loss or something will be there. Still, you can manage well with these kind of products. So giving an introduction to what exactly the smart flow is all about. This is a product which is a multifunctional, flexible, scalable, secure, and this is again a cloud-based communication solution. So a product which can cover everything, your end-to-end communication with a scalability and the business security, which is again the topmost priority for any organization. Giving some artificial intelligence, which we call the brain of the product. We have given some intelligence and some connectivity, which will definitely get an edge over the other providers, what exactly who are already there into the industry. This is something, a small demonstration, what exactly the overall studies have gone through and come across. So 40% are suggest that the enterprise telephony will increase and move ahead to a cloud telephony solution by 2023. So you can assume it, if 40% are going to convert from their traditional infrastructure to a cloud telephony suite. So what much impact they must have realized, and definitely they are going across. Now coming to that second pointer, that is 35%. Don't get confused with the call centers. Now the call center words are getting, you can say, redefining themselves. Let's suppose today we are into an enterprise, either a manufacturing, either it's education, hospitality, hospitals, or anything. We must have our own set of members who interact with the customer. They either, the purpose of the call might be sales, might be service, might be support, or might be there's some other interaction level of like finance, like HR, like admissions or anything. So 35% are moving ahead from telephony directly to the cloud setup by 2021. So huge difference are coming across. In the COVID, the basic challenge was we are not able to reach to our office premises because we are having a traditional product which is coming across where we are having the servers and the PRI setup and the PBX. So that means if I have to reach to my telephony engine, if I need to reach back to my telecommunication setup, I must have to reach back to my office premises. So that gives an advantage. And 73% is the rate of productivity, which as per the Global Workforce Analytics Survey has increased. So that is quite useful. If I am sitting in the office premises, each and every time my manager or my reporting head or my director or my owner cannot be standing behind or sitting across with me. But due to cloud telephony system, Either you are traveling, either you are working from home, or either you are sitting in the office premises. From anywhere, you can check what exactly your employees are doing, whom they are interacting, what they are interacting with, the instance call recording, and the complete productivity reports. So that means from their login to their logout, to their breaks, to their complete call flow, that what number of they are handling your telecommunication pressure which is coming through. So you will have the complete clarity and reports. Now definitely it will comes into our mind why we need a smart flow or a cloud telephony setup. So the basic difference is, let's suppose I am having an infrastructure. So by default, I'm investing myself in the infrastructure. With the infrastructure, we are doing an investment in the IT infrastructure. I need a server, I need some solution setup in the office premises. So after doing these kind of investments, now I need everything under my control. So definitely if I move across, so majority, if you have gone across with multiple surveys, majority industries have migrated from a normal setup to cloud telephony just to go ahead with the cost cutting, to reduce the cost. That means I am no longer investing myself in the infrastructure or IT infrastructure. Now, the tagline, as it's mentioned, anytime, anywhere communication. So as I was telling you, either I am sitting at home, either I'm sitting at I'm traveling might be I'm sitting in my office premises. Anywhere I'm handling my calls, anywhere I'm reporting, and whatever the communication is happening, either customer is reaching to us or we are reaching to the customer. In both the ways, we are handling the calls and handling end-to-end communications. So this is a product which gives a advanced level of technology to handle and manipulate our end-to-end business. As it's clearly mentioned, it can reduce the operations and capital cost. So the costing which is involved in the infrastructure, storage, or phone, or our servers, the maintenance cost, we are definitely can get rid of it and can invest in the technology to get more and more business productivity. But whenever we are discussing about a cloud telephony system or we are having a cloud infrastructure, the first questions comes to our mind, that is our data security. So as Tata has created a brand image and brand value in the industry, that Tata is well known for that. And as it's coming from a telco background, so we have to comply with the DOT and TRI compliances. So by default, the data security is our topmost priority whenever we are handling and going across to the customers. But we have again come across with some other benefits which gives a data security and the business security to our customers. So instead of disclosing your individual contact numbers, we have given the virtual space where our number masking system is there, where virtually we are connecting to end-to-end businesses. Either it's your customer or either it's your employee. So that means your employees are not disclosing their personal numbers to the client, and they are again not getting the personal number of the clients. So that is something what business is looking for. To safeguard their business, this is topmost, again, a priority system. As I mentioned, it's artificial intelligence what we have developed, and a different level of reporting structure which gives an analysis that what is happening and how my business is running through. So either in terms of report or analytics, either in terms of tracking my end-to-end employee or my complete branches or the business or the complete business transactions, I can track down everything, and I don't need to dependent on my lower heads, that some managers I need to write down a mail, that I need a report that which branch is performing what is the call flow, what we are getting in terms of services, what is happening, how much we are doing in the lead generation in terms of marketing, so how much call they have initiated. Everything is under one dashboard where they just need to download it, and accordingly they can handle their end-to-end business. Now comes to it, as I mentioned, there are some voice to text feature. That is advanced level of technology. So let's suppose I don't want my callers to initiate each and every call. I want something as a predefined call. That means I want something where exactly that they can generate as a voice IVR, which OBD you can say so. So customer will receive a pre-recorded messages in terms of voice recordings. But it vice versa. If I'm having some service setup and I'm getting 500 or 5,000 calls in a day, and I need to track it down that who is doing what my agents are performing and how they are performing. I'm having some set of analysis. So we created a sentimental analysis. That means if anybody is going across with any words that either positive, either negative, either anything, so I don't need to go across with 5,000 recordings. With these words, I can search it down that in which calls the agent or the customer have came across and have a discussion. Now the benefit, which is a topmost priority, is again, is an on-demand scalability. That means today, let's suppose if I'm having a setup, which is might be I'm having 500 employees right now, and I came across with a fresh setup where I need to increase the infrastructure and everything. So again, I have to reinvest myself. But with the help of this product, within 1 day or within a 2 day, I can go across with 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 within fraction of seconds or some hours, you can say so. So I'm not investing again in the infrastructure. I'm not against investing myself to anything else. It's completely plug and play. And plug and play means today I'm having 500 guys. Now I'm increasing the same infrastructure and manpower to 1,000. So it gives a benefits that we can in terms of depending on our IT infrastructure and the vendors. I am free to explore and find some new business opportunities. And as we all are having the enterprises, corporates, or either any other domains, the most important thing is the customer experience. That what exactly I'm getting the feedback from my customers, what exactly they are behaving and how exactly they are behaving in terms of our business or products. So end to end, you can handle it with this product, and it's completely plug and play. So that means if you're having some other CRM or ERP or any other applications, we can do the integration, and as a one solution, you can handle your complete end-to-end business. Sorry. These are some of the awards what we came across with the product. So this is something, an innovative product where exactly end-to-end in the business domains, either we will go ahead in the slides, either it's any domain, we have covered and given the solution. And that is equally been appreciated and acknowledged by the industry leaders and the markets. Now, what exactly customer needs? So customer needs a business continuity. That means I don't want an interruption, either that the reasons may not be anything. I need my business to continue, and I receive the instant information that how the things are performing. So this is something they needed. Now they need an ability to scale. That means today might be I'm looking for some new opportunities, or might be the geographical location, might be I'm sitting in Gujarat. And right now I'm looking to explore myself in Chennai or in Calcutta or in Delhi. So instead of reinvesting myself in the basic infrastructure, I directly go ahead with the manpower and scale my business to there. The cost optimization. So it's post-COVID. There is a trend which is going on in the industry where everybody is looking for some cost optimization, that in which areas we can do some cost cutting and increase and maintain the business revenues. So these are the very basic customer needs. Now the data privacy, again a topmost thing where a customer needs my each and every data to be secured and safe. So if I am reaching to my clients, either I am reaching to through my agents, through my employees, I need privacy from both the sides. Productivity enhancements, that means I need to enhance what is happening in terms of my business visibility and productivity. Who is doing what are the managers, how they are performing, and what are the agents and the employees, how they are proceeding and working accordingly. So I need a complete reporting infrastructure. I need complete analytics of it so that I can recalculate my revenue, and definitely I can recalculate where the business needs to grow and in which direction I have to proceed. Especially the customer needs changes after post-COVID, that work from home. This is something which is a booming, and globally, it's not from India. Globally, if you calculate, now the organizations are looking for a parallel solution that can balance from work from home and work from office. So they can maintain the revenue and without having any downfall in terms of business productivity. So this is something in a complete chart what exactly customer is looking for. This is a basic demonstration in a conference room where exactly the different business heads sit across. They have their own information they are looking for. Somebody is asking that I need to monitor the productivity of the work from home scenarios, that how they are performing. I am coming from the operations or sales end. Somebody is coming from the analysis, that means from the management end. So they want the analysis and the reporting so they can evaluate that where the business is moving. Now the third person is sitting, which is from the auditing end, that he wants to understand the call recordings and needs to accordingly download the information to as a customer experience, that how we are handling our customers and what exactly we need to work it out. Now the fourth guy is sitting from, might be from the IT end, that he is having some query that I need to integrate my different solutions and what we can do it. So you can assume it in any organization, every set of business heads have their own needs. And SmartFlow is a single product which covers each and every pointers and questions, whatever is coming across in our mind. Now, coming across with the same thing, the benefits of a cloud telephony, which is our SmartFlow. So as I clearly mentioned, this is something where you are getting a SLA telco grade solution. So SLA telco grade solution is clearly mentioned that I need a uptime. I don't want the downtimes to be there, because in the hardware, in what exactly the traditionally what we have observed, I'm having a service, might be I'm getting a downtime because a service is pending, or some I need to purchase a new server, or might be I'm having an IT infrastructure where some XYZ reasons I'm missing and my all the operation team are sitting idle. So uptime is always very, very important in terms to reduce the downtimes and increase the business productivity and revenue side. API integration, again coming back, either I'm having multiple applications. So I don't want to handle multiple applications, that X, Y, Z, A, B, and C. So I want an application where they communicate with each other, and as a single click solution, if I need to proceed, I don't have to handle multiple portals. So we are having the API integrations where we can integrate with the complete solution flow and handle everything from their own. The database always plays a big role. So any organizations always plan their business with their database. So to securing the database is a topmost priority whenever it comes to an organization or the vendor who are going to handle these data. So these are something which is the benefits. Well, either you go ahead with a cost-effective solution, the scalability, or the productivity enhancements. Now, these are some different products which we came across in the industry. Either it's a call connect, like a call where exactly we are doing outbounds through our mobile phone, either through our PRI setup, through landline or something. Either it's a call patching where we need some additional softwares or some solution to do a call conferencing or to handle the in and out of it. Additionally, we need some PBX solutions to handle the intercom, to handle the day-to-day operationals which is there into the organization and infrastructure. The lead management, I need to have some additional software which will maintain the leads, what is coming across either from the marketing, either from the sales, or different perspective, how we are handling these things, or either it's a IVR. So either it's a IVR, either it's a number masking, we are paying for everything. Additional cost is always involved. Either it's a hosted call center. Don't get again confused with a hosted call center. That means automated dialer. That instead of a manual dialing, I'm already having a database and I want my employees to start dialing it. And that needs to save the manual downtime. I want automatic calls to be initiated. So for each and everything, I am paying to my vendors. I am paying to the different organizations or some similar organizations to cover my complete needs. But in the cloud telephony, our smart flow, we are covering each and everything with a single product. So you don't need to maintain additional products or additional vendors. So these are some 3 set of products, what you can say. So the hosted contact center, click to call, and a hosted PBX that came across with different angles and different products, different solutions. We can cover it up with these 3 solutions. So either you are looking for some analytics tool, either some CRM integration, either some data collection, either some management process, might be some you're looking for some click to call, either through some websites, or might be you're looking for some DTMF input with that. Everything we can cover it up with this product. So there is a vast, what exactly the requirements are coming. And because it's a cloud telephony, it's a software background. So we can cover it up and we can give the solution, whoever the industry is generating, because without telecommunication, no industry will survive. The first level, whenever we set up an organization, we create our website. The first thing, what exactly we mention a pilot number into our website. So whenever we are doing a website, giving a number, we can choose for the cloud telephony. So that complete, either it's an incoming lead flow or it's an outgoing lead flow, I can handle end-to-end business and have the clarity that what is happening and where we are going through. So it's an end-to-end solution of your connectivity. So either it's X or either it's Y or either it's X, whatever the domains, whatever the solution, please come to us. We can design and provide you how exactly the solution is going to be benefited and how exactly you are going to use. These are some dashboard, what exactly our panel is. Now, how exactly our panel works out? We have Gmails, we have Facebook, we have multiple portals, Twitter or anything, where a web-based application is there, where we go to the Google Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, we type down the name of that website and just log in there. The same thing, we can do it from here. So that means I just need to log in through a web-based portal and I can handle everything. I can manage everything. I can take the reports and I don't need to be dependent that somebody in the end of the day will generate some reports and share to my table. Then I will go across and I will see what is happening in day-to-day business. So if you can check the dashboard here, the live call, the calling functions, the reports and analytics is visible to you, that how exactly the dashboard will look alike. So either in terms of IVR flow, we can maintain and manage it from there. Either in terms of our reporting segment, we can manage and maintain from the dashboard again. Either it's a call recordings, either it's some information which we want to cover it up. That I want to define a IVR call flow, that where the call will land, to which department, either it's sales, either it's marketing, finance, either it's operation, to my reception area, anywhere. I can define it with the dashboard. So that means I just need a laptop or a desktop to define everything. We again have our, you can say, Android based application where we can handle these functionality through our mobile phone. But to have a broader picture that what is happening, the admin or the IT heads or the operation heads can do it from their own, that the complete business visibility in a single application. So these are some of the views what exactly I was going across. So here is again a very interesting thing, like SMS. So right now what we are doing it, we in the organizations, we must have some SMS campaigns, SMS products. So what exactly we are doing, we are getting those products, we are doing the enablations and sending the thank you SMS or greeting SMS to our customers. So you can integrate the same solution with your telephony engine with our product. So let's suppose I interacted with you after the once I drop the call, I want a self SMS to be triggered that thank you for calling us. So we can do it and handle it through our portal again. So this is something where either in terms of anything we can handle and we can take care of it. So going across with what exactly the solution is. So either it's a hosted contact center. That means your complete inbound, outbound, progressive, preview, dialings, whatever you want to do it. Either you want to do a sentimental analysis that in each and every call, what happens with that call? What exactly the outcome of that call? I want some analytics view of that. The complete day-to-day business, or might be from last 1 month, what happened exactly with the calls with my lead team have generated, or my marketing team has pushed and created those leads for the sales or services. So either in terms of the contact center or either in terms of your outbound marketing solutions, where a predefined calls you want to throw to your customers. So instead of SMS, nowadays our technology is moving ahead. So we want customer will receive a call with a personalized greetings that hello Alok, thank you for being our prestigious members or something. So I can redefine myself what information and a personalized way, how exactly I can deliver my information to the client. So either in the normal communication, how exactly we do it as an intercom, we need a PBX that 101 I need to dial out to someone, or 102 or 103. But in a hosted scenario, again, I can handle it with this solution where a complete cloud telephony hosted PBX. So that means either you are sitting in anywhere. That means either in Chennai, either you are having multiple branches in the states or multiple states. It's hardly matters. We can connect with each other with this product. So we don't need any hardware. We are not dependent on it. So either it's a multi-layer IVR. That means I can handle and everything with the multiple languages. I can handle the IVR with Gujarati. I can handle with Hindi, English, some South Indian like Tamil, Telugu, Bengali. Multiple options are there. So I can choose from there what IVR languages needs to be as my business and that territory is looking for. Now, there are two most important feature what we have it, which is mentioned here as a sticky agent. So sticky agent means that let's suppose I am interacting with your might be service team. For half an hour, I have given my complaints and the call get disconnected. So next time if somebody is calling you again, I don't want a new face or a new member where again I have to repeat my half an hour pitch, what happens and where exactly my pain areas are. So to increase the customer experience, we have created a sticky agent feature. So that means that last time, whoever handles that call, so if next time if he is dialing again, the same member will pick up the call. So he can save the time and increase the experience level, what exactly customer is going to explode. And the second portion is we are interacting from work from home, we are interacting anywhere, but I want a live information that, let's suppose I'm interacting with you on your mobile phone, but I need to understand that are you sharing the right information to your customer, or might be I'm your manager, I have some queries. Are you aware of the product and you are pitching rightly to your customers? So I can, on the live calls, I can go across, I can check, I can bargain, I can whisper, I can transfer, I can handle end-to-end business, and everything is under my control. So either it's a missed call solutions. So missed call solutions, we are across. You just give a missed call and my agents will give you a call back. So I am not going to miss a single call. Click to call solution. Again, I explained that either through a website or multiple options are there that we can do the integration and handle our complete click to call solutions. That means manual dialing or something. So these are some our what exactly you can say. So the basic tools, what exactly makes the environment and the business make easier to operate and handle. So either it's an intelligent call routing, the call flows, monitoring, contacts, sticky agents, privacy or intelligence, anything. So we have covered each and everything, that how this product is going to make a vast level of changes in terms of your revenue side and the business side. So we have almost covered these things. So either it's IVR, CRM, SMS, or it's some integrations. Now, when it comes to segments, that might be a question will come, that which segment might be the BPOs and KPOs are the only one who needs these kind of products. So I have mentioned some of the segments, but a part of it, we have given to the dairy segment. We have given to some visa consultancies who are already handling and they are into the industry. We have given the same product to the hardcore manufacturers who are having their own set of team members to handle their end-to-end business. So you just name the segment and we have given these products to them. So you can assume it, that what is the potential of the product and how much customized we can do it according to your own customization and solution. Now, these are some of the use cases. So I will not take more time of yours, where exactly there are different players who have given, who are already a brand image, and we have deployed the solutions to them. So either in terms of Apex, where exactly it's a 5-star, some Tally members. So I was saying so, okay, you just name the domain and we have given the product. So the Tally, which we are all are aware of, the accounting software. So we have given their complete end-to-end operations, whoever the partner are, whoever their business is going through, they wanted a complete tracking. So we have given the solutions to them. This is something a credit enable, where that is again comes from it, where the loan side, the NBFCs, that means credit card, loans, bankings, they are these segments who need this product. And we created such type of customizations, okay, their complete end-to-end business and operations, we can handle it. These are again coming from some education lobbies. So we have given multiple universities, multiple core-level solution providers where they have some education and the industry background, and how exactly they are proceeding, what exactly their call flow, how exactly they are pitching to the customers, everything we have covered into it. Again, come across with the international banking, where exactly we have given it. Shine.com, a well-known name in the industry. So we all have gone through with Shine, Naukri.com, and multiple portals where we came across where exactly the job portals who are handling day-to-day businesses. So these are the segments where we have covered, either it's TCS, either the BPO, KPO, definitely they need a core. This is a core demand where to run their day-to-day operations, they need these kind of products to increase the business visibility and how exactly their agents are performing and what information they are sharing. That is again more important. So You just name the segment and we can define it. These are some solutions where exactly how our inbound toll-free IVR solutions will work. So how a toll-free number will be there and how the servers will implement to, and how the calls will be routed to the agents. That means your existing solution, whatever is there, either it's your infrastructure or either in terms of your applications, we are again creating a hybrid network and infrastructure to maintain both the needs. So these are some of the informations which we can have a very detailed discussions if you came across with anything. So these are again an extension based what I was referring to 101, 102. So we have covered almost whatever the solutions we were saying. So again, you have came across in the websites, we have some click to call functionality. You just click and the live agent will be there on the call. So team, this is something which is a very vast product and we can encounter any time. You can save my number, you can save my email ID, you can reach back to us, and definitely you just tell us what exactly your current infrastructure requirement is, and we will deliver it and how exactly it is going to be benefited. We can discuss one-to-one and have much more clarity into this. So thank you everyone. Thank you again for joining. Anil, goes for you.
Thank you so much, Lok, for such a wonderful session and the insight on Smart Flow product. So we come to the last but important section of the event, which is answering your queries. So any one of you have any queries, I would request to please put your queries in Q&A box. We will happy to address and answer all the queries. And meanwhile, we would like your valuable feedback too. So please give your valuable feedback by clicking on the poll button. You will be able to see few poll feedback questions. Wherein first feedback questions will be, please rate the overall experience of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, poor. Second feedback question is, please rate the quality of speaker for the event. Again, in the same format, excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. Moving on, the third feedback question is, please rate the product insight of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. Last feedback question is, please rate the online experience of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. Also, I would request, if you have any query, please put in your question and answer box so that we will take each of your questions.
Anil, we don't have any question right now.
No question as of now. Okay. So with this, I thank you our eminent speaker, Alok Kumar, for their great insight, and thank you audience for joining the session on time. And with this, we are ending the webinar for the day. And I would request you to please stay safe, eat healthy, and be healthy. Also, visit on our website. If you have any query, please call on toll-free numbers available on the websites. We will happy to reach you and give the proper presentation and solution of this product. Thank you so much for joining the session. Thank you, Alok sir, for joining the session and for a wonderful insight of the product.
Thank you, Anil, and thank